College of Sequoias offers a number of instructional carts in the classrooms to enhance the learning experience. When not in a high-flex instructional cart room, you will be presented with these tools for instructional technology. The toggle switcher. The toggle switcher on the top of the cart allows for powering on and powering off the system, as well as switching between the computer, document camera, and DVD player. When entering a classroom equipped with this setup, log into the workstation computer. Press the On button on the toggle switcher. This will power on the room's projector. If the room is equipped with TVs as a form of display, you will need to turn those on using a controller. Press Computer on the toggle switcher to display the workstation computer on the projection screen. To adjust the volume of videos played from the computer, use the volume knob on the toggle switcher. To use the document camera, be sure the document camera is powered on. Select the Doc Cam button on the toggle switcher. You should now see the document camera on the projection screen. To use the DVD player, select DVD on the toggle switcher. Be sure to power on the DVD player and insert the media you would like to display. You should now see the DVD on the projection screen. To adjust the volume of the DVD, use the volume knob on the toggle switcher. To power down the system at the end of class, press the Off button on the toggle switcher. Special note: some classrooms require the document camera to remain on for the computer to display on the projection screen. In this instance, you will choose to select the computer or the document camera on the document camera control surface.